In a world where sustainability is becoming more and more a top priority, we have to start thinking about how to create value out of waste. Businesses, scientists and policymakers from the Netherlands and France came together at the Dutch residence in Paris to talk about waste management.
The seminar is important because circular economy is very much a topic these days. It's being discussed everywhere, and I think everybody understands the need to be very effective with the scarcity of resources we have, and also to use this important issue to invent new technologies and to generate jobs.
Circular economy is based on the idea that there will be, as good as, no more waste in the future. Waste will be transformed into something new. Goods are designed to circulate.
The challenge is that where we are used to work on our own side, in silos, we have to work together. If we want to recycle more, probably it would help if products were designed for recycling. We can recycle a lot, but if there's no industry who accepts our recyclables, then we can't do anything with them. So also the industry needs to be incentivized. And how will industry be incentivized? Is there actually consumers who buy these green and resource efficient products? So also consumers should be aware of resource issues and be incentivized to buy, for instance, greener products. And for that, the regulator can set the boundary conditions for instance, more recycling. They can use the carrot or the stick, or basically give information to the consumers how they can be more resource efficient, how they procure, buy green themselves, green procurement. So it's an embarrassment of actions actually all over the value chain for all actors.
An important issue in changing from a regular economy into a circular economy is that people need to work together. Therefore, different parties need to share ideas.
I think the best way to contribute is to make sure that materials can be recycled in an economical way. That means to retrieve the value to a degree where it's worthwhile to recycle. And then I mean for companies. And what it will require is to get technologies and to organize things and to develop our knowledge of waste and to organize companies, of course, etc., to a degree that it can be retrieved economically. Because by then, if it's a business case and you can make money out of it, industry will pick up on it, and then things will fly. The only solid economy is one which is not sponsored and not subsidized. And recycling needs to reach that point if you would really like to have a circular economy.
Businesses in the waste industry were invited to talk about their unique innovation that contributes to a circular economy.
Inesco has developed a specific process to effectively separate the fine non-ferrous particles from bottom ashes by recycling this, for instance, aluminum. Aluminum has a really high impact when you create aluminum from primary mining, and now from secondary or urban mining it has a 90% savings on CO2 emissions. So it's in that respect very sustainable.
We are working in what we call the mining, urban mining. If you contemplate a poor PCB, a low-grade PCB, printed circuit board, you get between 10 and 15 ppm of gold, gram per ton of gold. If you compare that with the Australian mines in Western Australia, in Kambalda, they are mining, digging hole with 0.5 ppm of gold. And there is no copper, no tin, no palladium, no silver, nothing else. So it's just a comparison. Our garbage are really rich. I mean, so we need to dig in that. That's very simple.
We collect some powders coming from lumps which have been recycled, and this powder, we treat this powder in order to recover the rare earth, and we recycle the rare earth in the same application, which means the rare earth we produce are used to make new phosphor powders for lamps. It's unique because it is the only one which is today able to recycle the 6 rare earths contained in all fluorescent lamps. We recycle all the 6 rare earths contained in these fluorescent lamps, not only 1 or 2. The 6 are recycled.
I believe in the circular economy, and we have to work on it together. No one can do it alone. It's critical, it's essential. We have to work over the border as countries and also between companies, producers, academics and waste managers. So, collaboration.